Yeah, hi Tom, it's November 19th, about 6:30 Pacific. I've got the deadband running and I need your input on it. This is the, jiggling it around a lot. This is the standard shield, and I've got a flying wire coming out of PV12 that goes over to the deadman mess right there. You can see that. And the way it's working now, I'm running the standard Pixel software, and it's in state, looks like state 4, waiting for an event, and that's all working fine. Whenever an event comes in, one came in and was sent out to the server. And when it sends, right now the way I have it, when it sends an event out to the server, it also kicks a pulse over to the deadman to keep it alive. Dead man's buried right down in there, the tiny 85. And I've got a three-way LED going on it, and the LED right now is just showing the heartbeat of the counter inside the dead man. And right here is a little relay, and what the relay does is when the timer times out, it pulls in the coil. When it pulls in the coil, it's a single pole double throw, so it opens the power to the Arduino and cycles the power. Keeps it open for a second, or no, I think I've got it 5 seconds, and then turns it back on. And the way it does that, let me show you. This is the power coming from the Arduino. And it's connected right to here. This is where that 3-pin header is, and I take the center, the orange wire and the green wire. The green wire's always got 5 volts on it. Goes into the relay to the normally closed position, out the orange wire and back up in to feed the shield and the rest of the ether mega. So it's breaking that line is what causes the reset on the computer, on the ether mega. So this is a 3-component dead man. It's got a relay, it's got a 100K resistor, and the tiny 85. Don't need the LEDs or anything else. Of course, you can put them on if you want. And I do have the programming ISP cable connected to it. As you can see, that's this cable, and I program it with the SparkFun programmer, which works really well, by the way. You can leave them both in the circuit at the same time and program the tiny 85 while it's running. Works great. So now the question is, right now I have the refresh is in the part of the Arduino circuit where it sends out the data to the server. That's where I refresh the system, and I have a 1-minute timeout on the dead man. So if it doesn't send out a set to the server every minute, it's going to get timed out and restart. I was thinking of putting a shorter timeout period and putting it in the place where it changes from state to state, so it'd refresh every time it changed states. But and that's it. That'd work. But so I'm trying to decide if it should be a longer 1-minute timeout and have it refreshed in the when it sends the data off to the server, or a shorter timeout, maybe 10 seconds or so in the state-to-state change. So give me an idea. I also got a new relay. I got a new relay in today, and it's a little lower profile than that one. And that would make it possible to put the whole dead man right there in the breadboard area on the Ether Mega. I could get the whole thing right there, I think. Nah, maybe not. Maybe there's not enough room for the tiny 85. Maybe the best place for it is up here on the shield. I think that was your idea, you know, put the relay up on the shield along with the tiny 85. So, what do you think? I'll prepare a schematic and send it off to you, but it's pretty simple. Give me some feedback, Tom. Thanks.